that is my audio clear to everyone, or any issue with my audio, and is the screen also visible to everyone, so that no, without having any disturbance, we can start our session. Fine, clear? Fine. So let's start our session. So it's been 7:05. I have waited for 5 minutes so that no everyone can join. Okay, fine. So let's start our session. So yesterday we were having our first class about our this entire curriculum called as what? Agentic AI. Yes or no? And I think everyone have revised and come whatever we have learned. Okay, so what we will do before we start today's session, let us fastly jump to yesterday's session and let us try to what? Revise the concept whatever we have learned. Okay, so our first class, okay, was designed to make you understand some important terminology and give you some idea that what are we actually going to learn. Okay, I know that in the previous class everything was in a theoretical way. Okay, but this actually the first class is very important, where I think that it have helped you, okay, to create a understanding about, okay, what we are actually learning and what do we mean by what, some important terminology. Okay, so let's fast revise that concept here. So in the first class, that was on yesterday's class, okay, we have learned about a first very important question, that is what actually we mean by this important terminology or important word called as what? Agentic AI, where we were going on saying this word, but actually what does agentic AI mean? So in my concept, I've given you a very simple definition. What is that? What is an agentic AI? Agentic AI can be thought as a what? Approach, or can be thought as a what? Technology. Okay, so simple thing, agentic AI are the approach or the what? Technologies by using which we programmer can build a thing called as what? AI agent. Very, very important. So whenever anyone wants to build an AI agent, then we need to use an approach or we need to use a technology. That technology to build AI agents are called as what? Agentic AI. Okay, where in this agentic AI, no ma, okay, we will be having lots and lots of what? Principles. We will be having lots and lots of what? Principles. This agentic AI will give you what? Different frameworks. It is going to give you different what? Tools. All of these things we need to use to build what? AI what? Agent. Got a point here? So whenever we want to build AI agent, okay, then we are going to use a principle, approach, or a what? Technology, and that technology is called as what? Agentic what? AI. Got a point here? And in this definition only, I told you that what is the actual purpose of creating AI agent? Simple thing. The actual purpose of creating this AI agent is, if I create this AI agent can automatically or autonomously, okay, can perform what a task. Got a pointer? Means if you have any task, okay, you didn't use no need to do that task. You create a what? AI agent. The AI agent's work is to automatically perform that what? Task, so that it will achieve a what? Particular goal. Got a point here? That is the main purpose of creating what? AI agents. Got a point? Okay. Then we understood that, okay, we understood that whenever we want to create AI agent, we are going to use a technology called as what? Agentic AI. But actually, what is this AI agent all about? Okay, what is this AI agent? I told you. Actually, what is an AI agent? AI agent can be thought as a system. Got a point here? Okay. Or else, in a simple language, you can also think AI agent as a what? Program. You can also think AI agent as a what? Program or a system. Both are same thing. In a more programmatical way, if I want to tell you, I will tell you this one only. What is that? That AI agent is a what? Program. Are you getting the point? So what is an AI agent? AI agent is a program where this particular AI agent, okay, will contain how many important things, Amma? How many important things the AI agent will contain? Forgot. AI agent will contain how many things? Very good. Three main components it contains. Means it is our duty that whenever we are creating AI agent, okay, to this AI agent or to this system, we are going to give a what? Brain. We are going to provide a what? Memory. And we are going to provide what? Bunch of tools. And with the help of program, I will connect all these things so that this AI agent will use brain for what? Reasoning and decision making, memory to get the what? Context, and tools to perform what? Action. So that by using all these three components, this AI agent can perform what? Any given task without or less help of what? Human being to achieve a what? Goal. Okay, so a system which can perform a task, okay, with its own brain, own memory, and what? Tool, then that entire system is called as a what? AI agent. And please remember, we are not going to create a machine. Are you getting the point? Actually, AI agent is a program developed and given to the what? Machine, so that machine will use this what? AI agent for performing what? The task in an autonomous way. Got the point here, everyone? Have you understood the concept? Okay, and here what we have learned, okay, whenever we are developing and what? Whenever we are developing an AI agent, every AI agent will be started creating, okay, with the help of a watermark goal. That is very, very important. Okay, you can't create an AI agent without having any goal. Got a point here? So the first thing which we need to remember in your brain is we require a what? Goal, and from that goal only we are going to develop what? AI agent, and AI agent's duty is to achieve this what? Objective. Are you getting the point? By automatically using its what? Brain, memory, and tool. Got a point? So based on all these things, we have learned that there will be two types of AI agent we can create. What is that? We can create a single AI agent, okay, and what or what? A multi AI agent. Are you getting the point? What do you mean by single AI agent? Very simple thing. Single AI agent can be thought as a one autonomous what? Agent. A single agent working all the steps. Got a point here? Means we are having a single agent, and this agent is doing all the what? If it is having 2 steps, 3 steps, 5 steps, 100 steps, every steps will be what you can say executed by what? Single agent for achieving a what? Specific goal. So whenever we are using a single agent, okay, working towards achieving a what? Goal, then that entire thing is called as what? Single AI agent. Got a point there? But whenever your final goal becomes more and more what? Complex, okay, then it is our duty to divide the task into what? Into multiple tasks, so that every task will be handled by one agent. Got a point here? And when we are using multiple agents which are working together, communicating with each other and working together to achieve a what? Specific goal, then that type of AI agent is called as what? Multi AI agent. Got a point, everyone? Clear? I think it is clear from the first class. What is single AI agent and what? Multi AI agent. Everyone clear? Fine. So these are the two important questions which we have understood. Okay, what is that? First, we have understood what is an agentic AI. Then we understood what do you mean by AI agents. Got a point? Then we have discussed that, okay, Saxon sir, okay, for creating all these AI agents, AI agents, what are the popular frameworks we are going to use? So we have checked that all these are the 7 most popular, okay, frameworks by using which we can build what? AI agents. And our curriculum is also designed, okay, in learning this what? Each and every frameworks, okay, to build what? AI agents. Got a point here? Okay. Then finally, we have started learning a very important concept. Okay, 2 things we have learned. What is that here? Before we start all these things, it is important for us to understand 2 important terminology. Okay, terminology. What were they? First, we have understood what do you mean by what? Everyone with me? What is the first thing we have? What is the second, third thing we have learned? What do you mean by automation? Yes or no? What is automation, Amma, everyone? Can anybody forgot or remember what is an automation? Automation can be thought as a what? Technique, or it is a
How
what?
we use tool.
Tool. Yeah, by using which we can use technologies. But the automations are nothing but it are the tools by using which we can use the what? Technologies to execute a series. To execute a series of what, Amma? Steps. Got a point here? Where this series of steps are called as what? Very good. Okay, this series of steps are called as what, Amma? Workflow. Okay,
Workflow.
so what? Yeah, very good. So what is an automation? It is a technique, okay, which will help us to use some different technologies, whereby using that technologies, what we can do? We can execute a series of what, Amma? Steps. How? Automatically, with less or without any help of what, Amma? Human
Human
being.
being.
And very good. And this series of steps are called as what?
Workflow.
Workflow. Okay, and this series of steps are called as what, Amma? Workflow. Everyone, great. Everyone are replying. So I think that everyone have revised them. Come, got a point here. So here we have understood two important terminologies. First, we have understood what do we mean by automation. Then we understood what do you mean by workflow. A very simple thing. What is a workflow? Workflow is called as a what? A series or a sequence of steps, okay, which we need to follow, okay, to perform, to achieve a what you can say goal. Got a point here? Again, I'm repeating. What is a workflow? Workflow is a series of steps or what? Sequence of steps which will be executed in a particular what? Fashion to achieve a goal. Then that entire series of steps are called as what?
Workflow.
Workflow. Okay, and whenever we want to automate a workflow, then we need to use a tool. That tool is called as what, Amma? Automation in the country, because we don't want to execute this workflow manually. I want to come up with some technologies where by using these technologies we can automatically execute this entire what, Amma? Workflow to achieve a goal. Got a point here? That is the actual link between what? Automation and workflow. Everyone understood here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here I told you one thing. Okay. First we need to give importance to workflow, because can every workflow can be automated?
No.
No, very good. Okay, no, there is a very important condition. Okay, whenever our first step is, okay, you want to have a workflow, then you need to think whether this workflow can be automated or not. Whether this workflow can be what? Automated or not. So for that, I told you there is a condition. What is the condition? Okay, inside this workflow, whatever the steps we are having, if that steps are changing a lot, means if there is a drastic change in the steps, okay, after over the time, then it will be very difficult for us to automate that what, workflow. See, there can be minute change, there can be change, but if the changes can be handled inside the workflow, that is very important. If the changes can be automatically handle inside the workflow, then also it can be automated. But if the steps are changing drastically over time, then you need to understand that that workflow can't be what, Amma?
Automated.
Automated. Got a point here? Yeah, okay, very good. Got a point here. So, but many of them will say that the steps should be always be constant. It is not the correct way, Amma. The steps can change, but that change should be, okay, adapted inside your what? Workflow. Means if your workflow can handle that change, then you can automate. Otherwise, you can't what? Automate. Got a point here? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then we have learned that, okay, there are three types of workflows are there, or automation, same thing. Three types of workflows are there. What is that? First one is called as what?
Rule based.
Rule. Very good. Rule based workflow, Amma. Okay, and a very simple thing I will call workflow only. Rule based workflow. Second thing we have learned what?
ML based work.
ML, machine learning
Automation.
based what?
Automation.
Workflow. And a third one we have learned is called as what?
Agentic AI.
I should not say agentic AI. Okay, AI, let us say agentic AI only, I will tell you. Agentic AI workflow. Agentic AI
Workflow.
based what?
Workflow.
Workflow. Got a point? What is rule-based workflow? Very simple thing. In this workflow, okay, when we are creating this workflow's execution depends upon a what? What amma? Arey, workflow ante in the simple thing.
And
Workflow
if
means,
and else.
yeah, workflow means a series of steps, no amma. Okay, if this series of steps are executed, or this series of steps execution depends upon some rules. Rules ante in the simple rules. If or what amma? Else. If this is accepted, then you run this one. If this is accepted, then you run this one. Got a point? Means if your workflows are executed based on some rule, like if and else, then that entire workflow is called as what?
Rule-based workflow.
Rule-based workflow, simple thing. And when can you call a workflow as machine learning workflow? Whenever you are having a workflow. In this workflow, you know that you will be having a series of steps. Yes or no? Okay. And if any one or more than one steps are using what model?
Machine learning.
A machine learning model for performing a particular what amma? Task, then automatically that entire workflow is called as what? Machine learning based what amma? Workflow. Got a point clear now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and see here one more thing here. Okay, whenever I'm saying ML model, okay, inside this ML model only comes what? DL model also, because your deep learning is a subset of what? ML. I think everyone knows deep learning is a subset of ML. So I am using ML as a what? Top priority. When I'm saying ML, okay, it is not compulsory that you need to use ML only. You can also use DL also. Got a point here? Then you can call deep learning based workflow. Everything is same only. Got a point now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And now comes the most important thing. What is agentic AI based workflow? Agentic AI based workflow means in this workflow, whenever we are having a series of what? Steps. In these steps, if any one steps or more than one step is using what? Is using
Agent.
what? Huh?
AI agent.
Very good. Don't call agentic AI. If any of the steps are using what? AI
Agent.
agent, and if your AI agent is performing that particular task, then automatically this entire workflow is called as what amma? Agentic AI based what?
Workflow.
Workflow means in this agentic AI based workflow, we are creating two things. Yes or no? We are creating the entire workflow, and inside the workflow, we are also creating what?
AI agent.
AI agent to automate this entire what amma workflow. Did you got the point now? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So just a revision I have took. I think everyone, the concept have been clear in your head now. Fine, very good. Okay. Now, then what we will do? Let us start the session and let us have a very beautiful and interactive session today. Got a point here? Now, everyone listen here. So, here I think I need to give more importance, okay, in understanding this concept called as what, Amma? Workflow. Yes or no, Amma? If everyone's here, I need to give more importance because we all are, you all are fresher. So I will tell you first to give importance in understanding this word. What is workflow? Again, I will tell you, Amma, what is workflow? Workflow can be thought as a what?
Sequence of steps.
Series or a what? Sequence of steps. Got a point here. What is a workflow? Workflow can be thought as a series or sequence of what? Steps which will be executed, executed, okay, in a specific manner, to achieve a what? A final goal. Then automatically that entire series and sequence of steps which will be executed in a specific manner to achieve a final goal is called as what, Amma?
Workflow.
Workflow. Got a point? Okay, so in this workflow, okay, we will be having what? In this workflow, we will be having a thing called as what? We'll be having what, Amma? steps. We will be having a thing called as what? Steps. And what is these steps? These steps are actually denoting a single task. Every steps, okay, will represent a what, amma? A single what? Task. This task can be simple task, complex task, anything, amma. Every steps duty is to perform a particular task. Everyone understood this concept? So we are having what? We are having a series and sequence of what? Steps, where every steps is actually representing a single what, amma, task. This point you need to remember. Everyone understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Got a point? Okay, so we got a clarity that what is a workflow? Workflow is a series or sequence of steps, okay, which will be executed in a specific manner to achieve a final goal. And inside this workflow, every steps represent a single what? Task. Clear concept here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now here, why I want to discuss this concept is, listen carefully. Okay. What the most important thing which you need to remember is, before we create a workflow, who is going to create and design the workflow? Tell me. Who are going to create and design the workflow?
AI agents.
AI agent. We are only going to create and design the what,
Workflow.
workflow. Okay. So here, listen carefully here. Okay. You need to follow some steps. Listen carefully. Before we create a workflow, no, the first thing which we need to have is a what?
Problem statement.
Problem statement. This is very, very important. The first thing which we need to have is a what? Problem statement. Once we will be having a problem statement, where this problem statement will going to tell you what is your actual goal you need to what, achieve. Are yes or no, amma? Are without a goal, okay, can you do anything? Or without a problem statement, can you do anything?
No.
No. So what is the first thing we need to have before our workflow, everything? The first thing which we need to have is a what? Problem statement, where this problem statement will tell you, okay, what is the actual goal you want to achieve. Got a point here? Now, listen carefully. Once you are having the problem statement, then, okay, with the help of your problem statement, okay, you are going to, second step is, you are going to design and create the what?
Workflow.
Did you understood, amma? Enduku, what is workflow? Workflow are what? Series of sequence of steps which will be executed to achieve a what, amma? Goal. So first thing is, we require a goal, that is a problem statement. And from the problem statement, okay, we are going to design. We are going to design what? We are going to design and create the what? Workflow. Okay, once we design and create the workflow, okay, then we will try to think that this workflow can be what? Can be
Automated.
these are the 3 steps you need to remember. Got a point here? What is the first step? We want a problem statement. Once we are having a problem statement, we know what is a goal we need to achieve. Now, for that particular goal, it is your duty, okay, to come up with a idea and design and create the entire what?
Workflow.
What? Workflow. Once you create and design your entire workflow, check whether this workflow is running correctly or not. If the workflow is running correctly, then only we will go to the third part. What is the third part? Now we will check, can this be automated? Okay, means now we will be using somewhat different what? Technologies, where this technology will help me to automate this entire what, amma? Workflow. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది the entire pipeline now?
Yes.
Got a point. So automation doesn't come first. First comes workflow. Got a point here. First we need to design and create the what? Workflow and try to run the workflow. First you go and check whether this workflow is running correctly and whether this workflow is able to achieve my final goal or not. If your workflow is running correctly and it is able to achieve your what? final goal, then only you will be going to your next step. What is the step? Okay, now I don't want to run the workflow always myself. I want to automate it. Ante machine has to automatically execute this workflow whenever it is needed. So for that, I need to use somewhat
Techniques.
technologies, where this technology will help me to automate our entire Vatama workflow. Got a point here?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood or not? Clear? I think everyone clear. So everyone with me, Amma, tell me, so how you need to follow whenever you are having a thing. No, first, always remember these three steps. The first is problem state. No,
Problem.
goal gavale. Got a point? Amma, it actually, this is the foundation for your AI agents. Got a point here. Okay. First is goal. Okay, once you are having your goal, based on your goal, you what? Design and create the entire what? Workflow, and then you run the workflow. Check whether our design and whether the workflow, whatever you have created, is running correctly and is able to achieve the goal or not. Once your workflow is correctly working, then only you use some technologies to automate this entire what, workflow. Clear? Everyone? Hello.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood or not?
Clear, clear.
Sir.
Yeah. So for doing all these things, okay, we will be using what? Different framework. Okay, like what? LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, everything's are used, okay, for by us, so that we can automatically what? We can create the workflow and we can automate the what, workflow. Got a point? Okay, but as I promised you, okay, we are not going to start with our main concept here. Today onwards, we are going to start our first module, where in our curriculum, I have planned it that our first module will be learning a concept called as what? Everyone with me, Amma? What is that?
N8N.
N8N. Okay, so what is our first module we are going to learn? The first module, very good. Now we will be having a very good time. The first module we are going to learn from today onwards is called as what, Amma? N8N. Are you? This is Saxon, sir. I will tell you, listen carefully. So let me give you a simple definition. What is N8N? Okay, listen. N8N is nothing but it is a platform. What is N8N? N8N is a platform. Got a point? N8N is a platform where in this platform, okay, the N8N is a platform where this platform allows us to create any type of what? Workflow, and helps us to connect with different apps for automating it. Got the point here? My very simple definition. Okay, so everyone with me, what is N8N? Amma, tell me. N8N is a what? Platform. Okay, N8N is a platform where in this platform allows us to create any type of what, workflow. That is the most important thing. So simple concept. If anybody asks you what is N8N, simple thing. N8N is a platform where in this platform, what we can do? We can create, and we can also what? We can do two things. We can create and we can design, okay, any type of what,
Workflow.
workflow, any type of workflow ante in the rule based workflow, ML based workflow, DL based workflow, okay, and what, AI agent based what workflow, any type of workflow we can easily create and design, okay, in this platform called as what? What, Amma? N8N. Okay, and it is only allowing us to create and design. No, it is telling you that in this platform you can from scratch, you can completely create and design any type of what? Workflow. And also I am also going to help you to connect with different what? apps,
App.
we are apps, what APIs and everything, and help you for automating this entire workflow. But a point means in your N8N we can design your workflow, and this workflow we can easily automate it. Got a point here, everyone? Understood now what is N8N?
It's a platform.
Yeah, simple thing. What is N8N, Amma? See, simple thing. Facebook. Facebook is also a what? Platform. Where in that platform, what we can do? We can connect with our friends. We can message our friends. We can share some emotional thing with our friends. We can video chat with them. So that is the working of that platform. Similarly, N8N is also a what? User platform. Where in this platform, it is allowing us to what? To do two things, Saxon sir. In this platform you can completely, okay, from scratch you can easily create and design what any type of what workflow, and
Workflow.
also I am going to help you to connect with different apps
App.
and what APIs for automating your entire workflow. Got a point
Workflow.
here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so if I want to tell you in a simple way, I can call N8N as a workflow. I can call N8N as a workflow automation platform, Amma. In a simple definition, can I call like this here? Yes or no? Okay, I can call N8N as a what? Workflow automation what?
Platform.
Platform. Got a point? Very simple definition of what? N8N. Got a point here, everyone? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but so everyone will ask me, Saxon sir, we are having lots and lots of platform. No, you told no that we are having lots and lots of platform. What are they? Okay, we are having means frameworks and platform like LangChain undi, Crew AI undi, Semantic Kernel undi, OpenAI undi. But rather than starting to learn from this popular, why you are teaching us N8? Then I will tell you the concept. Okay, I'm going to ask you a simple question, Amma. You will love to do coding, or you will love to do drag and drop concept? Tell me, everyone.
Well,
See, if I tell you, you can build a workflow. See, simple question I'm telling you. I will tell you that you can create a workflow in two ways. You can create a workflow by simply what? Drag and
And
what, Amma?
drop.
Drop. Or you can create a workflow by doing the entire what? By using what?
coding.
Coding. Got a point? You tell me as a fresher, okay, which one Gen Z people like the most? I
Drag
Drag.
love
and
coding
drop.
only.
Drag
Okay,
and
which will
drop
Gen Z
only,
people
sir.
like? Everyone will say, second sir, it
Drag
is
and drop.
better to go with what? Drag and drop. Got a point here? Okay, means because coding will be what? Little bit difficult because we need to build everything from what, Amma? Scratch. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is the reason rather than directly going and learning what? LangChain, Crew AI, Llama Index, LangGraph, AutoGen, OpenAI SDK, Semantic Kernel. Okay, first what we are going to do? We are going to use a platform called as what? N8N, where N8N is telling you, I am going to help you to design and create what?
Workflow.
Workflow by using what technique? Drag
And drop.
and what, Amma? Drop technique. You no need to write a coding. Yes, here also we can use coding part, but very less coding, Amma. Got a point? 90%, 80 to 90%, it will be completely what? What? Drag and what, Amma? Drop means you can simply drag and drop and create an entire what? Workflow. And when you click on a single button, that entire workflow will be automatically will be what? What, Amma? Automated. Got a point, everyone here? Understood why we are starting with N8N?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so N8N will help you. N8N will help you. Okay, to first it will help you and it will give you a platform where everyone can understand. Okay, is a workflow. This is how you will create a workflow, so that once you are thorough with what all the workflow, then we just need to be a little bit good at coding. So that same kind of workflow we can also create with the help of what coding. Are the mind, everyone? Everyone clear or not? Understood? Yeah. So see, but I will tell you, always prefer coding, Amma, because whenever you are designing and creating a workflow with the help of coding, this coding will have more control. Okay, if you want more control, okay, and if you want to do lots and lots of complex workflow, then I will say coding is the first priority. But if you want to create a workflow very, very fastly, okay, not that much complex, then I will prefer what? Drag and what? Drop. Got a point here, everyone? Okay, both are good in that perspective. In their perspective, both are good. It is not that you need to use coding. It is not that drag and drop. Okay, it totally depends upon the problem statement. If you are able to create a workflow based on drag and drop, I will tell drag and drop only. But if that drag and drop is unable to help you to create your desired workflow, then you need to switch it to what part?
Coding.
Coding part. Then you have to switch it to the framework, okay, which will help you to what? Design more and more what? Complex workflow. Got a point? So both are good in their perspective. Got a point here? Everyone clear? Should I start then N8N now?
Yes.
Yeah, you can use both at a time also, Durga. You can combine this both and you can do. Okay, anyway, in N8N, we can combine coding with what? Drag and drop. Got a point? We can do. Fine. So should we start N8N then?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So listen carefully, Amma. First, what we will do. Okay, everyone. I think everyone have is in front of your laptops.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first, what we will do before I give you a little bit more theory on N8N, Amma. First, let us try to install N8N. Okay, listen carefully. So there are two ways of using N8N. That is very, very important. There are two ways of using this platform. What? N8N. Got a point? I will tell you what are they. First way is we can use N8N, okay, directly through web. We can use N8N directly through what, Amma? Web. Okay, means when you are using N8N through the web, then that is called as your what? Web application. That is called as what application?
Web application.
What is web application? A very simple thing. Any piece of software or any piece of application which runs on a what? Web, any browser, then that application is called as what?
Web
Web
application.
application. Got a point? So what I'm saying is you can use N8N in two ways. Means the developer of N8N have created a web application where any user, okay, only require two things. If they have what? A good internet connection and a browser, then they can directly use N8N as a what? Web application. Got a point? Okay. Or else, okay, you can also use N8N, okay, by locally. You can also use N8N what, Amma? Locally ante what is that? Means you can download your N8N and you can run your N8N in your what? In what, Amma? Laptops. Got a point here? There are two ways. Got a point? But see, we will not go the second point now because setting up N8N in your laptops will be a little bit difficult because for this, you need to have some knowledge about what? Dockers. You need to have a knowledge on Dockers. Amma, don't worry. I will teach you Dockers a little bit slightly once we will cover language. But for now, I'm not going to teach you how to run N8N locally because that is not good right now. Okay, because we need to learn what? Dockers. For now, we will use N8N with the help of running N8N as a what tool? As a everyone, what am I? Web application. Yeah, because everyone have the laptops and internet connection. So it is better to go with what am I? This one, first thing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So for now, what we will do, everyone, open any of your browser. Open any of the what am I? Browser. Open your browser fast. We will go very slowly so that nobody will be having any doubt. Everyone respond once. Are you able to understand the class? Clear now?
Yes,
Only few are
sir.
replying. Everyone. Around 100 students are there. Everyone be active, Amma. Yeah, great. Only few. Yeah, fine. Yeah, so everyone be with me. Okay, so everyone open your browsers. Okay, yeah. Then here what you will do in the browser, in the search bar, you type what? N8 what? Amma, N. You type what? N8N. Got a point? And when you click on the search button, it will redirect to a website. It will give you the first link called as what? https n8n.io. Got a point? And What is N8N here? What is writing? It is an AI workflow. What? Automation. What amma? Platform. Ardham, got a point? Now what do you do? Click on this first link. So click on the first link. This one. This one. This is the icon of N8N. This is icon of N8N, which you will understand. Okay. Today only. Okay. So everyone click on this what? First link. So I will share you this link also in the message. Yeah. Fine. When you click on the first link, Noma, this is the page you will be seeing. Don't do fastly. I will tell you how to do. Got a point here? Yeah. Everyone have been redirected to this website. Everyone reply fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, done. So now, because you are new to this N8N, okay, first what you need to do, are you able to see here a button is there called Get Started? Is there a button called Get Started here? Yeah,
Yes,
click
sir.
on what? Click on this button called as what? Get Started. Click on this button called what, Amma? Get Started. Okay, yeah. Fine. Once you click on this get started, okay, it is also automated by N8N. Okay, it will ask you company email. You no need to give a company email. You can give your what official Gmail ID. But because I already have the Gmail ID, what I'm going to do is listen carefully. And one more thing, Amma, this N8N. Okay, Soumya, you can accept all. You can accept all. That's okay. Accept all. If you're getting any cookies, no, you click on accept all. That's okay. Fine. See here. Here in your N8N, I will tell you one more thing. Whenever you are using N8N as a what application? As a what one? Web application. It is not free, Amma. Okay. It will give you to use N8N as a web application as a 14-day what? Trial. So you will be given 14 days to use N8N as a what? Cloud. That is the reason, okay, many person who are very good at Dockers, they will try to use N8N run on what? Locally. I will teach you. But for now, let us get practice with N8N. Okay, so you will be getting how many days of trial?
14 days,
14
sir.
days. So here also there is a simple hack is here, Amma. Once 14-day trial is over, try to create a temporary mail. Try to create a what mail? Temporary mail. And again what, Amma? Create an account. So I will tell you how to create temporary mail because already I have used my account. So I will tell you. Fine? Yeah. Listen everyone, listen here. So for that what you will do, open a new tab and here no you type temporary mail. You type what, Amma? Temporary mail. You type temporary mail like that. Fine. See, for now you no need to do. For now you give your official email ID only. It's okay. Okay. So my official email ID will be this one. Saxon.sharp@gmail.com. Got a point? I already have this account. It is already there. Fine here. So you can, because you are, this is for the first time. Okay. You need to use your official email ID. Okay. I just want to tell you how can you use temporary mail. Okay. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, once you are written temporary mail, are you able to see the first link called temp mail? Okay. Click on this temp mail. Okay. And here it will show you a temporary mail. Let it load here. You can also use if you want like that. If you want to don't waste your mail ID is 14-day trial. See, this is a temporary mail. You can what? Copy this temporary mail and you can put it here. Can put it here. Got a point? And click on what? Submit. Fine. And it will tell you, check your mail. It have given me a code. So where is your mail, Amma? Don't close this tab. You go down here. Here will be having your inbox. Got a point? See, here did you got a verification code? Everyone are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is your inbox. Ardhamayanda. If you close it, your inbox will be lost. Okay. So don't do that thing. Okay. So your verification mail is 284967. So I will write down here 284967 and I'll click on what? Submit. That's it. Yeah. They will ask me full name, password. So everyone have done. See what is saying. Start how many days of trial? 14 day of trial. Ardhamayanda. So this simple hack which I told you. After 14 days, again you go to temporary mail, create one more what? Mail. That's it. Yeah. Everyone do till here. I will wait. Everyone do till here. Once everyone have done, yeah. Don't do Amma anything in the screen. I will tell you. Fine.
Sir, can
Yeah.
you explain from starting, sir? I got lost.
Amma, see what you do. Open your browser and click on what? N8N. What a point? You will be seeing this link. Click on this link N8N, and then here you will be having a button called as what? Get started. Click on this get started button, and here you type your company mail. So what means company mail means your mail. Okay, you type your mail, and in that mail, give me a second. In that mail, after typing your mail, let us say after you typed your mail, click on submit. You will be getting a verification code in your mail. That verification code you type and click on submit, then you will be redirected to this page like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. Once you are having this thing, I'm gonna use your full name. So already because my name is there, so I will use Saxon 1723. Got a point? Okay, let us say 123. Then give some password here. So let me use some password. Fine. And your account name. Amma, the account name chala important. Please everyone listen
Yes,
here.
where will get the OTP, sir?
You are using temporary or your own mail?
Temporary, I'm using
Yeah.
temporary.
So in your temporary mail, the tab which you have opened, no. Go down, you
Yes.
will be having an inbox in the down.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Down, here. Okay. And if you
Okay.
close it, no, that mail will be lost. It is just for temporary purpose. Okay. So it is better to use your official mail. Why I am using temporary mail is because my 14-day trial is over. Okay. Okay, yeah. So everyone, see, everyone, you need to what? Save this one, your account name. Got a point? So I will create account name like this. Okay, Saxon 123. Okay, and click on done. Yeah, it will check whether, so it is saying there was an error while setting up the account. Okay, fine. Click on what? If this is optional, then you click on what? Start 15 days of trial. Start free 14-day trial. Okay, click on save it. Finish creating your account. So it will ask you some questions, Amma, that it is your wish. You can answer whatever you want.
Name and
Same of the
password, we
company.
can give any type of name, sir.
Yeah, give your correct name. Means
Okay.
your name with some numbers.
Okay, thank you.
If it tells that it is already taken, try to add some other number. Okay, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Then see, then it will show, it will ask you some question, Amma. Array, choose whatever you want. Got a point here? Choose whatever you want. It's okay. Sales, it's okay. It doesn't matter anything here. They are just taking data from our side. Click on OK. That's it. Thanks. So invite. Okay. So see, once you get this one, you click on skip. I don't want to invite anything. Click on skip. That's it. Done. So everyone has to see this one. This is the final page. Do it, everyone. I will wait. I'll wait. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Everyone do it.
Sir, can you once tell how to give
Sir,
account name, sir?
account.
How to?
How to give account name, sir?
Amma, give account name. Your any name. In the account name, you give any name. For example, let us say my name is Saxon. No, you give what? Saxon some 1, 2, 3 number.
About giving a name, account name, they're showing a error, sir.
Yes, sir.
What error?
The name must start in
There
lowercase,
was an
capital
error while
letter.
setting up the account. Please try again.
No. See, go. Did you click the button there?
Start
Sign in.
free 14 days trial.
Start 14 days trial. You clicked on that thing.
Yes, sir.
After that, what is give showing you?
It's showing there was an error while setting up the account. Please try again.
So please try again. No, I think it can be a server issue.
We have to submit and again, then it will work.
Yeah, because now everyone is doing at a time. Norma, there can be a problem. Fine, you try it. You try it multiple times. You will get it. Because that is the reason I told you don't use temporary mail. Use your own mail.
Sir, it is asking about the size of the company.
Amma, that's okay. I told you no. Give anything. Give anything. That is just a query they are asking. Okay. Yeah. Mastan Rao, do you already know what you want to automate? Amma, we will not know what you want. Yes, that is why we will be having problem statement. No. Got a point here. Once we are having the problem statement, from the problem statement, we need to design. Got a point. Once we design, our design should be such a way that that design can be easily automated. But if your design itself is very, very complicated and your design is going on what? Changing over time, then that can't be over what? Automated. Understood, Massan? Massan, did you understood? See,
Sir,
Massan, very
what
simple.
size of your company means?
Amma, anything, you choose anything, that's okay. That
Okay.
is just they are asking a questions to you. That is okay. That is just for they are collecting the data. Okay. Massan, Amma, try to understand. Very good question. First, we'll be having a goal. A goal nunchi, with the help of that goal, you need to design the workflow steps. Once you design the workflow, if you want to automate, you need to check whether that designs ante a workflow steps are changing drastically. A workflow steps drastically change out is happening, then it will be difficult for you to automate. Okay, but but before you have started your workflow and you have designed your workflow based on automation only, ante yes, at the end I want to do automation, so my workflow should also be in a what correct way. Got a point? Then you can easily what automate. But your steps are rapidly changing over time, it will be difficult. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Everyone done? Everyone got this
Yes, sir, done.
page now? Your workspace is ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Then what you do? Once you have done, now you click on this start automating. Click on what, Amma? Start automating. It will redirect you to your N8N dashboard. It will redirect you to your N8N dashboard. Okay. It will take a little bit of time. Let it load. So see, here at the top, you can see your name, whatever you have written. So please don't forget this name. If you forget, then it will be gone. Okay, so now your N8N is running on your what, web application. So see, here whatever you are seeing, this is your what, N8N what? Dashboard. Are you able to see everyone? Your N8N dashboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Everyone done? Yeah. So click on overview. It will be better. Fine. Okay. Yeah. So everyone click on this button. Click on this button on the left side. No, you will be having a button called overview. Click on this button. We don't want AI assistance. Overview. Okay. So in the overview, it will tell you, let's build your what? Read with me. Read, everyone read with me. Let's build our first what?
Automation.
Automation. Ante first section, sir, let us try to build our workflow and okay, we will try to automate it. It's Chudandi. Build a workflow. And here, read with me, what is that? Build an
Agent.
agent. In your N8N, we can completely from scratch, we can build a what? Agent. And that agent I can use inside a what? Workflow to create what workflow? AI agent. What am I? Workflow. Got a point here? See, that is what? Slowly we are going to move that thing. Okay. Sir, can you explain from N8N login? Amma. See, that is the reason I have gone very slowly. No, be active in the class. Okay, listen carefully. How to log in N8N? First, you go to Google search, type what? N8N. Click on what? This first link, N8N link. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I will tell you. Got a point here. Okay. And then click on what? Get started. It will directly redirect it to me. We will see. Get started. It is going directly here. Amasi, you click on what? Get started. Once you click on get started, it will show you a page. What page? It will show you, okay, to type your mail ID. Got a point here? Then type your mail ID. In that mail, once you get the mail ID, you will be getting what? The code. Type your code. Okay, once you type your code, then you log in. That's it. That's a simple thing. Because I can't do again here because I already have logged into my thing. Fine? Yeah, what happened? Yeah, Deepak, getting error. What error, Amma? Why you are getting error? Sir, I got only two options. Run live demo, build a workflow. That's okay, Amma. That's okay. Mamta, that's okay. My version is a little bit upgraded. That's okay. That's okay. Click on overview. Just click on overview here. Okay. Yeah. Bhargavi, what is the error you are getting? Can you tell me? Because there should be no error. Simple procedure. Okay. Kirti, once you do it, no, Amma, and wherever you are
Checkbox
getting
and
stuck,
click
let me know.
multiple times, sir. Then error will go.
Yeah, that's it. Because no, everyone is using at same time, no, Amma. So the website will be getting a lots of load. So that because of that is also it happen. You just try it multiple times, you will get it. Okay, fine. So I think everyone have, see, it's okay if you are not getting. Okay, once this class is over, okay, again watch the recordings. Okay, and try to what? Do it in the same way. Simple thing I have shown you. I didn't complicate it. That is the reason I know. That is the reason I didn't go to Dockers. It will be a hectic way to what? Install N8N. It is a very simple way. Fine? Yeah, great. So should we start now then? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now Amma, everyone listen. Very important class. Okay, very important session now. This is going to be one of the most important session which will give you a very great idea, and you can think this as the foundation for this module. What module? Foundation for both LangChain and what? LangGraph. Got a point, Amma? Everyone, concentrate here, Amma. Very important thing. So listen carefully. So we are now starting, okay, to learn a tool called as what tool? N8N tool. And what is an N8N, Amma? Tell me. N8N is a platform where by using this platform, what we can do? We can design and create an entire what? Workflow. We can design and create an entire workflow from scratch, and also this entire workflow can be what? Automated. Very good. Okay, these are the two main what you can say use, okay, with what? N8N. First thing is design and create the workflow, then we will what, Amma? Automate. Got a point. Now everyone concentrate here, Amma. Listen carefully. Now N8N is saying, Saxon sir, okay, whenever you want to design and create workflow in N8N, okay, we are going to design and create the workflow, okay, as a thing called as what, Amma? Graphs. Again, these are rule. What is the rule saying here? N8N is saying, Saxon sir, in my platform, if you want to design and create the workflow, you are going to design and create the workflow where this entire workflow will be created or represented as a what thing, Amma? As a graphical way. In a simple thing, I will say, as a what way? What way?
Graphical way.
Graphical way. Got the point? Again, I'm repeating, but I'm saying in N8N, this is a rule. In N8N, whenever we are going to design and create what? Workflow. In N8N, we are going to design and create the workflow. In which way? Everyone, in which way? In a graphical way. Graphical way, and in the graphical way, and means here I'm saying that we are going to design and create an entire workflow. This entire workflow will be designed or will be represented, okay, as a what?
Graphical.
As a graphs. Got a point? So your entire workflow in your N8N will be created with the help of what, a graph, because N8N is using a graphical approach. That you need to remember. N8N is using a graphical approach for designing and executing what, a workflow. So it is our duty to remember that in your N8N, whenever we are designing what? This workflow, we are going to represent. This is very important line. Remember, we are going to represent your entire workflow as a what, Amma?
Graphs.
Graph. Got a point? Now, don't worry, I will tell you how to do that thing. Okay, listen carefully here. See, okay, whenever we are going to design our graph, this graph will contains two main components. This graph will contain how many main components? Two main what? Components. Got a point? Ante to create this graph, we can create this entire graph by using two main components. Okay, what are they? I will tell you. Okay, the first component is called as a node. What is the first component called, Amma? Node. And the second component is called as what? Edge. Got a point? First component is called as what? Node. And the second component is called as what? Edge. So means we are going to use both this node and edge, and we will connect these two things, and we will be completely designing and creating what? Graph. And with the help of this graph only, we are going to represent our entire what? What flow?
Workflow.
Workflow. Because okay, in a very, because graph are the best way to represent a what? A workflow. Got a point that you will get to know. Okay, so to create a graph, how many main components are there?
Two main
Two main
components.
components. What are they? Node and a what?
Node and edge.
Edge. Got a point. Now see, what is node? Okay, node is representing. Node is representing two things. Node will represent two things. Node will represent a trigger. Node will represent a trigger, or node is going to represent a task. You got a point here? So what is node going to represent? A node, a task contain the task contain, you simply think as a what? What? Step. Are enduku? Because in the workflow, what we are having inside a workflow? Workflow is a series of what? Everyone, Amma with me. What happened? Forgot. Workflow is a series of what, Amma? Steps.
Steps.
Got a point? And in your N8N, your entire workflow is represented as a graph. So inside this graph, okay, this node, okay, will actually represent a what, Amma? Steps. Okay, or you can think these steps as a what? Task. But your nodes are going to represent two things. Your nodes will represent steps, as well as it will represent what?
Trigger.
A trigger. You can think a trigger, or you can think a trigger, okay, as a what? Starting point. You can think a trigger as the starting point of the workflow. Always think, Amma, your trigger is the starting point of the what, Amma, workflow, where this trigger will tell you, okay, how to start your what? Workflow. Amma, that is what I will tell you. No, if I will going on poke you, okay, after sometimes you will be getting triggered. No, Saxon sir, you don't scold me always. Okay, after scolding for 8 times, I got triggered. Okay, and I will tell you that don't scold me. Yes or no, Amma? So every person will be having a trigger. So here also we'll be having a trigger, where this trigger will be always the starting point of your what? Workflow. And trigger will always start your what? Workflow. After your trigger only, you will be having what? Steps. Got a point, everyone? Clear? Okay. So how to create trigger and steps, Amma? Both your trigger and steps are created and represented as what?
Node.
Hello, everyone. Tell me.
Node.
Nodes. Got a point. Very good. Now, what is edges? Listen carefully. Simple thing. Edges, okay, are going to be representing. Edges are representing two things. Actually one thing only. Edges will actually tell you the flow. Edges actually, edges are used, okay, to connect what, Amma? Nodes with each other. Edges are used to connect nodes with what, Amma? Each other. Got a point? So first, what is the edges representing? Edges actually represents the connection between the what? Nodes. How one step is connected to what, Amma? Another step. Here step ante node. Ardhamayinda, everyone? Okay, so edges will tell you how one node is connected with what? Another node. Got a point? Yeah. And edges are actually, edges will actually represents the flow of the data. Edges will represents the flow of the what, Amma? Data from one node to what? From one node to what node?
Another node.
Another node. Got a point? So edges, two things edges are doing. Edges will help you to connect to multiple nodes. Edges will tell you how your data is going to flow from one node to what, Amma? Another node. I will give you an example. Don't worry. Got a point? And here, one more point you need to remember. In your graph, okay, what kind of data can be flown? Only one kind of data can be flown, and that data should be what? What data? What, Amma? JSON data. Got a point, Amma? Very important thing. In your N8N, between this node, okay, only one type of data can be flowed. See, Amma, CSV is a data, XLSX is a data, PDF. So all that data we can't use, Amma. Between this node, through the edges, only one kind of data will be flown. And what is that data will be flown? Tell me.
JSON.
JSON. Don't worry, I will give you an intro to JSON. Got a point here? I will tell you about JSON. JavaScript. Okay, object what, Amma? Notation. Got a point here? Everyone clear? But see, in Python, everyone knows no dictionary. Amma,
Yes, sir.
everyone knows dictionary in Python?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, whoever doesn't know a dictionary, no, Amma, it's okay. Okay, we will learn in what? Python. Got a point. Okay, your JSON exactly looks same as what? Dictionary. Dictionary lo em untadi? In dictionary will be having what? Key and what?
Value pairs.
Value, no? Same thing, Amma. The only difference between JSON and dictionary is, in JSON, always your key will be what? String. Always your key should be what, Amma? String. Your value can be anything. Your value can be anything. It can be list or anything. Only difference is, in your JSON, JSON is also a key value pair only. Got a point here? And your key should be always be what? String. Got a point? Then
String.
automatically the entire thing is called as what data? It is a well formatted or well supported JSON data. So very simple thing, Amma. JSON ante endi for now, because you are a fresher, just understand JSON is exactly like what, Amma? Dictionary. Python dictionary. Only difference is, okay, in dictionary we can have any key, but in JSON the string should be always be, the key should be always be what?
String.
A string. Ante. Got a point? And through the edges, only what will be flowing? Only JSON data will be flowing. Got a point? So these are the two main components of what, Amma? Graphs. What are they? Nodes, which represents what? Steps. Edges represents what? How the nodes are connected with each other, and flow of the data. Clear the concept now? So with the help of these two things only, we are going to create a graph, and this entire graph represents your what, Amma?
Workflow.
Workflow. Ante. Got a point here? Clear the concept or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Anne. Did you understood here? Yeah. So now see. So now I will give you an example for this, Amma, everyone. A very lame example I am giving you, that is for your understanding purpose. Everyone listen carefully. So what I want to do, I am having a problem statement. Aim problem statement, I will tell you. Everyone listen here. My problem, a hello world problem statement. Problem statement is, I want to create a web calculator. I want to create a what calculator? Tell me.
Web calc.
Web calculator. I'm telling you a very lame example. Okay, this is just for your understanding purpose. When we learn Python also, they will say no, print hi, like that. Got a point? So what is my problem statement? My problem statement is, I want to create a web calculator. So once I have the problem statement, second thing what I'm going to do, I am going to design your entire what? I am going to design my entire workflow for this problem statement, Kada.
Yes.
Yeah, so see how I am going to create, listen carefully. So see here, in this workflow, I told you, everyone has to remember, this entire workflow, I should be creating as a what, Amma?
Nodes.
As a what?
Graphs.
graph. ఎందుకంటే in N8N this entire workflow is created through graphs. And that is the rule of N8N. So okay, and everyone will use graphs only, Amma, because that is the best way to represent a workflow. Got a point now? See, and I told you, whenever you are creating a workflow as a graph, you need to remember one point. Got a point here? Every workflow, okay, will be having a trigger. Every workflow will be having a thing called as what, Amma?
Trigger.
Trigger ante endi? Trigger is means the graph will also be having trigger. Trigger is called as the starting point. Trigger is called as the what point, Amma?
Starting point.
Starting point of your graph. Ante how you are going to start your graph, or how you are going to start your what, Amma? How you are going to start your execution of your what, Amma? Workflow. So every workflow, whatever you do, every workflow will be started with a what?
Trigger.
Trigger. Got a point here? So see, so there will be various kinds of trigger will be there. Slowly, one by one, I will teach you. There will be various kinds of trigger. Got a point? So see here, the simplest trigger is called as manual trigger. The simplest trigger is called as what, Amma?
Manual trigger.
What is manual trigger ante? Manual trigger ante we human being has to click some button. We human being has to what? Click the button to start this what, Amma? Trigger. So whenever we human beings click a button to start a trigger, then that type of trigger is called as what?
Manual trigger.
Manual trigger. Got a point? Okay. There is one more trigger called as time-based trigger. There is one more trigger called as what, Amma? Time-based what? What is time-based trigger, Amma? Can anybody tell me? Think, simple thing.
Certain
Certain
time,
time
the
to
trigger.
activate
Trigger
it.
will get
Yeah,
executed.
very good. Means this trigger no need any human beings manual thing. This trigger will automatically get triggered. This will get automatically triggered. This will automatically get what? Triggered. Okay, based on a what, Amma? Time. Ante, for example, I will tell that this workflow should be starting on Monday. This workflow should be starting on 24/8/2026 at what PM? At 10 a.m. Got a point? So automatically, you no need to start the workflow. This workflow's trigger will automatically will start tomorrow exactly at what time?
10 a.m.
10 a.m. So that type of trigger is called as what?
Time-based trigger.
Time-based trigger. Amma ardham avutunda everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now there is a these are the common triggers I will telling you, Amma. There is one more type of trigger, and that type of trigger is called as app-based trigger. What is that trigger called, what, Amma?
App-based trigger.
App. What is app-based trigger ante? Simple thing. Whenever you want to trigger, okay, whenever you want to start your workflow, okay, because of some kind of what? Application. Again, the point there means you want to start the trigger when somebody uses this application, then that type of trigger is called as what?
App-based.
App-based trigger. Ante this workflow will only be started when Saxon sir uses that app. If Saxon sir don't use that app, then the trigger will not start. Then the workflow will not start. Got a point here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the three commonly widely used trigger. What are they, Amma? Manual trigger ante that workflow will only be starting when we click on the what? Button. Okay, manually. Time-based trigger ante
Particular time it gets triggered.
yeah, Amma, manual trigger ante very thing. Manual trigger ante there will be a button. The human being has to press the button. Okay, enter button. Then only the trigger will start. That trigger is called as what? Manual trigger. What a point? Time-based trigger ante this trigger will automatically start when that time will be what, Amma? Executed. Got a point here? And app-based trigger ante
When the application is used, download.
yeah, when we use that application, then only the trigger will start. And always remember this point, Amma. Okay, your every workflow always starts from a what?
Trigger.
Trigger. Common sense. Kada, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, got a point here. Means inside your workflow, when you are creating a graph, first you need to create what, Amma? Trigger. And how you are going to represent a trigger as a what?
Starting point.
No. As a in the graph, how you are going to
As a
create your
node.
represent your
Nodes.
trigger as a
Node.
node. Adi. That is the concept you need to remember. Understood here? Arey, who is that person again? Fine. Yeah. Clear now concept? Everyone? Yeah. So now see, let us come back to the concept. So what is the problem statement, Amma? We need to create what? A
Calculator.
web calculator. Okay. So for this, what I will do, I will use, see, I want to create a web-based trigger. No. So first what I'm going to do, everyone listen carefully. I am going to create a form. Means by using some application, I am going to create a what, Amma?
Form.
What I'm going to create I'm going to create an what form?
Online form.
Online form. I get the point. So by using some application, I am creating an online form. I'm gonna try to understand here. Got a point here where in this online form, I will tell the students to type input one. Okay. And I will tell the student to type what? Operator. And I will tell the student to type what? Input two. So how many things the student has to input? Three things. What is that? Amma, everyone knows the calculator. No, Amma. I think I will open calculator and show you how a calculator will work. In the calculator, we are going to type three things. No, first is your number, first number, like this. See, number. Then I am going to use this operator. No, plus, minus. Then we are going to use what? Another number. And then when I click on what? This submit button, we will get the answer. Am I yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, so for this thing, I am creating an online form where through online form, the users are going to type the number input one, operator and what? Input two. Am I mind everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then when the user clicks what?
Submit.
What? Submit, then automatically our workflow will start. Then automatically what will be starting?
The workflow will
Our
be
workflow will be starting. So this entire thing is your node. This here, whatever I have written inside a box, whatever I am showing you as a rectangular box, this entire thing is, Amma, this is your node one. And this first node is your what node, Amma?
trigger.
Trigger node. And here, what is this trigger node? Manual trigger, time-based trigger, app-based
Man-
trigger.
Manual.
Manual. Ayyo. Amma, it is an app-based trigger, no, Amma. Because
App-based.
I have created this online form through an app, no.
Yes.
Yeah. So here, whenever the user uses this form is from an application, no, Amma. Whenever the user creates this form and click on the submit button, then only this trigger will be what? Starting. Am mind?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is what trigger?
App-based.
App-based trigger. So now what is going to happen? Internally, when this trigger starts, okay, how many data we are giving here?
2,
How many data?
3.
3. This entire 3 data will be converted into what format? Into a, I told you, in this graph, everything flows as what data?
JSON.
JSON form.
JSON. అది అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. Everything will flow as a JSON data. So when this trigger automatically starts, all this internal thing will be automatically converted into what? JSON data. How like this? Okay, input 1. Okay, let us say if I type 10 here, okay, this will be given what? 10, comma, then operator, let us say I've used plus. So it will be having what, Amma? Plus, and then okay, input 2 will be having, let us say, 12. Got a point here now? Understood? Am everyone clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And are you able to see a line here passing? Are you able to see a line here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This red line here, whatever this line you are seeing, that is called as what, Amma?
Edge.
Edge. Got a point here? This rectangular box is your node and this is your edge, where your edge will connect your node with another node, and through these edges only, what will be flowing? Through these edges only, what will be flowing?
JSON data.
Very good. JSON data will be flowing from one node to another node. అర్థమవుతుందా now ఇప్పుడు? Everyone, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now this entire data will be passed to your second node. This entire data will be passed to your which node now?
Second node.
Second node. Now, what is your second? See, amma ikkada nenu cheppina. Every node is representing a what? Step. And every step is going to perform a what?
Task.
Task. And your first node will be acting as a trigger. Ante. Got a point here? Now, this is your what? This is your second node, where your second node is your step one. This is your step one. Okay. And your step one, what you are going to do is this step one node is going to get this data. From here, this node's duty is to identify that what is the operation Saxons are going to do. Am I yes or no, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Here, what kind of operations Saxons are is going to do? Gonna point. So here, in this node, I am simply going to use a what concept? I am going to use a concept called as what? If, else,
Else.
what, Amma? Else. Am I yes or no, Amma?
Yes.
Okay, so here what I'm going to do here, I'm going to check whether, see, simple thing, Amma. If the operator is plus, then we need to perform what concept?
Addition.
Addition. If the operator is minus, then what I need to perform?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. If it is what? Into, it has to perform multiplication. Got a point? So your step one is actually checking whether what kind of operator Saxon sir is doing. Got a point there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ardaman,
sir.
okay, and if the operator is step one, then this node will connect to another node, where in this node we are going to add what, Amma? Input one plus what?
Input.
Input 2. So this is your step 3, where we are doing addition. Okay, but if your operator is telling that is what, that this is for plus subtraction, then it will redirect you to another node. In this node, we are going to perform what?
Step 1 minus step 2.
Step 2. Got a point? And this node is going to, okay, perform what? Input 1 into what, Amma? Input 2. Amma, got the point here, everyone. And finally, this will give you what? An answer for addition. This will give you the answer for subtraction. This will give you the answer for what, Amma? You everyone tell me. For what?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Yeah. Once you don't add any node, automatically your node will be automatically ending. And from here to here, whatever we have designed, this is your what, Amma?
Workflow.
Workflow.
Workflow. Okay, in a which form? In a
Graph form.
graphical form, where these boxes are called as what, Amma? These
Nodes.
boxes are called as what? Nodes.
Nodes.
Where every node after a trigger node is going to perform a task. What is this node doing? This node is checking whether it is addition, subtraction, or what? Multiplication. And this node decide whether this data and the same data, Amma, listen carefully, this entire data, this same data will be passed through here and what am I here? Got a point here? Through the edges. And this red line are called edges, where edges will connect the what? Nodes, and through the edges only the data will be transferred from one node to another. So this entire thing is your graph, which is representing your entire what, Amma? Workflow. Amma, ardhamayinda now? Everyone got a clarity now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So see, what I have done. See, very, very simple. Hello world, Amma. First, we were having a problem statement. From the problem statement, I only created a what? Workflow. So with the help of what? Graphs. And now you tell me, can this workflow will be automated, Amma?
Yes.
Think and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, are aim లేదు కదా, Amma. Very simple thing. Okay, everything will be same. Okay, so this workflow can easily be what?
Automated.
Clear the concept here? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I think, okay, time is going very fastly. Fine. So let us create our first workflow in N8N. Same workflow, whatever we have learned.
So one question, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, Soumya.
Only the plus operator has been used. Why we have to use minus and in a multiplication operator?
Amma, why? Because see, this entire app will not be used by me only. No, this will be used by everyone. No. So here, when you are using my app, here you can also use minus also. No, Amma.
Okay.
Okay, when you are using minus, see, when you are using minus, then this entire flow will only trigger which node? This node only. No, Amma.
I'm not getting it, sir.
Are see, simple thing, Amma. Here, this is an entire workflow. This entire workflow will start based on the what node?
Trigger node.
Trigger node, and this workflow is not used one time. This workflow will be going on executed when the uses this what? Online form. Did you got the point?
Okay.
And every user can use different operator. No, Amma, in the calculator also. Will the calculator only use pluses? Plus only? No. I can go on use different operator. No. Every time when I'm using calculator, every time when I'm using this form, okay, this trigger will start and this workflow will be executed. This workflow is not executed only for one time. This will be executed for what? Infinite time when the user uses what?
Trigger.
Online form. Did you got the point?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so when you are using minus, then this will be executed. This two will not be executed. When you are using plus, then this will be executed. This will not be executed. When you are using multiplication, this will not be executed. This will be executed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and once you got the output, then your workflow is ended, over. For you, the workflow will be over. When this workflow will again start, when again you will use the what? Online form. Got a point here?
Yes, sir.
Means if you don't add any node, automatically your workflow will be ended. That is the beauty of automation, no?
Okay.
Clear?
Thank you, sir.
Everyone? Yeah, it calculates every outcomes. Okay, fine. Got the concept now? It will not calculate every outcome. Try to understand. Okay, this node is telling you if it is plus, then I will allow you to go in this direction. I will not allow you to go in this direction. Got a point? So here, Amma, so you tell me. Very good. Everyone is telling you this one. This workflow is rule based, LLM based, or Agentic AI based.
Rule based, sir.
Rule based. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనం if else use చేస్తాం కదా. Okay, by using this condition, okay, here because I have used this condition will allow you to either exit this node or this node or this node based on the operator we are using. Got the point?
X.
Did you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it is a completely what? Rule based what? Workflow. Okay, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now everyone open your N8N. Be ready. Everyone open your N8N. Fine. Ready? Okay. So now everyone click on here this cell. What? Build a workflow. Click on everyone. Click on build a workflow. When you click on build a workflow, it will redirect you to Canvas. It will redirect you to Canvas. What happened? Why it is showing this one? Fine. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Fine. Are you able to see like this here now? Amma, see. This thing is called as your what, Amma? Canvas. What is this thing called? Hello, everyone. What is this thing called? Canvas. Yeah, where this canvas is infinite canvas. Where in this canvas, you can design and create your what? Workflow. Got a point here? By simply what? By simply drag and drop. Got a point here? Fine. So everyone, should I start now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, what is our first? First I should always start with what node?
Trigger node.
Trigger node. But here I am not using manual trigger node. I want what? App based trigger. Listen carefully. Here on the right side, are you able to see plus here? Plus button?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when you click on this plus button, Amma, it will give you all the different types of what? Nodes. It will give you all the different types of what? Nodes. But because you are starting for the first time, it will only show you what node? All the compatible what node, Amma? Trigger node. So see here. We will slowly explore from next week onwards. Listen, when you click on here, are you able to see the first node? What is the first node here we are having?
Trigger manually.
So here what you will do? Click on this one, drag and drop here. Okay, so this is your what amma node which you need to click on, and below before, are you able to see a button here? Execute workflow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
means because it is a manual trigger, this manual trigger will only activated when you click on this button. Ardhamainda? And are you able to see edges here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and plus button ante here you can add what? What amma? Nodes.
Another node.
How we added here? Simple thing. Gonna point, and after trigger node, your actual steps will be started. And that is why it is called as what amma? Workflow gadama. Series of steps. Ardhamainda? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I don't want this node, amma. So if you want to remove this node, hover your mouse to this node and you are able to see a delete button on top of this one. Hover.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click on this delete. That's it. That node will be deleted because I don't want that one. I want app based. Got a point? Now again you click on what? Plus. See, you go down. Are you able to see a trigger called on form submission?
Yes, sir.
Amma, are you able to see a trigger on form submission?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is this saying? N8N. Amma, listen carefully. N8N. Okay. Their own self, they have created a app by using which we can create an what form? We can create an what form, Amma?
Online form.
Online form, but I will teach you how to use Google form also. But for now, I'm using an N8N online form like this one. Okay. So what you do? This is a trigger. I want this trigger. So I will drag and drop here. That is the first node we are learning. Got a point here? This one. When you see, when you drag and drop now, you will get like this here. You close it. Go down on form here. A pop-up will come. Please close this one. Fine. So here you will be having your first node. Okay, which is called as what? On form submission. Understood? Done, everyone? Drag and drop here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you
Sir.
drag and drop, am everyone with me?
For
Okay,
form,
when you
what
drag,
should you do?
Hama?
I have drag and drop, but I am getting some form. So how to do
See,
that?
close it, close it. Oh, you will be having close button. Close it. That is a pop-up. Close it. Alright, that is the reason I told you. Amal, first listen. Listen. Click on here. Okay. On form submission. Here you're having a close button, no, Amma? Close it. Okay. Fine. Done? Yeah. Now see. Now here, this is your node, Amma. And here I need to teach you one more thing. Yeah. Whenever you see a node, and in this node, no, if you are able to see a what mark here? A what mark? Whenever you are seeing a red mark, it is saying that, Saxon sir, this node is not set up. This node is not what, Amma? Setup. Ante this till now you just drag and drop this node. This node have not been configured. Got a point? So whenever you see a red triangle on any of the node, don't get panic, Amma. It is saying that you just drag and drop this node. You didn't what? Configure. You didn't set up this node. Got a point here?
Yes.
Okay. Now how to set up here? Go to hover your mouse to the node and double click on it. What do you do?
Double click on
Double
it.
click. When you double click, a pop-up will come. Here you will be having the setting. Got a point here? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now here, see, you will be having first two things you will be having. You will be having a URL. Ante, this is a URL you need to use where, okay, you will be seeing your what? You will be seeing your what, Amma?
Form.
Okay, so you will be having two URL. One is test URL, one is what?
Production URL.
Production. We will not use production in the content. When you will use production, once your entire workflow is completely built, and if your entire workflow is ready, and if you want to deploy your workflow, then at that time only you are going to use what URL?
Production.
Production. Okay, but, yeah, but now we are just creating Norma. So when we are in the creating phase, then we'll be using what URL?
Testing URL.
Test URL. Got a point? Ardhamainda first this one? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now when you go down, you are seeing authentication. Don't do anything. Don't use anything here. Next one is called as what? Form
Title.
title. Amma, very simple English. So title will be, I will be giving title as calculator. Got the point here, everyone? What is the form title? Calculator. And I will give a form description. Okay. Here we, a very lame example. Here we will, okay, perform mathematical operation. Got a point here? Amma, this is a form. Ante. Everyone have seen forms, kada, amma. When you are using a form, he will be having form title, kada. So what is my form title?
Calculator.
Calculator, and the description about the form. That's it. Got a point? Now, when you go down, here is a very, very important thing. Here you will be having what elements. Element and say you need to add button, kada. What is the first thing you need to add? You need to add an area where here in this area the user is going to type what? Number, kada.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So now here you click on what? Add form element. And when you click on add form element, it will tell you what should be your label. Okay, label. And take what is your label. So I will call this label as what, amma? Huh. Input what? 1. Got the point here? Marda Mainda?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And what is this element? This element should be number, kada. So you click on this one and you choose what?
Number.
Number. Got a point? That's it. So you added your first form. Okay, got first form. Okay, then you need to add one more element. No, click on one more element. After this element, what you are going to add? Here you are going to
Operator.
operator. Got a point here. So here the name of the form will be what, amma? Operator, and this should be text only. Don't use number, amma. And symbols number kaadu kada, text kada adi. Okay. Everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes.
After that, you click on what? Once again, you click on what?
Add
Add form.
form
This
element.
will be your what? Input
Input 2.
2, and this element should be what?
Number.
Number. Antyama, that's it. Got a point here? Okay, and see. And here, one more thing I'm choosing here. Respond. When this app should respond, whenever Saxon sir what?
With
Submits, then only this trigger should start. Okay, na? Ardhamainda? Am I understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Once you have, this is a setting. Once you have done, then what? Close. Now see, triangle button have gone, no? Everyone understood the concept or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Understood,
now,
sir.
yeah. Now see the beauty, Amma. Now see the beauty. Now when I click on this workflow, okay, see, automatically this form will open me a form. See, is it opening me a form now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and see, you are and if you see, are you able to see some circle is going on running? Means your workflow has started, but your workflow didn't started because till now you are in which node?
Trigger.
Trigger node. And your
Trigger
trigger node have actually started your application. This one. Where is that application? This one. What happened now? See. So now here, say so now if you want to see here clearly, listen. Here, okay, if you now I will type. Now I will type what? Input is equal to 10. I am going to use what? Plus operator and 20 and 30. And when I click on what, Amma? Submit, then automatically our app will trigger, app will take all the data, and all the data will be converted into it as what? JSON data, and give it to this link. Okay, now?
Okay,
Got
sir.
it? Yeah, see, when I click on submit, see, green color. What is green color showing you? Your trigger have started and your workflow have ended. So you got your one item, no?
Yes.
Everyone. Yeah. And if you want to see the output, no? Again, double click here. And if you see here on the right side, see, you got as your what data? You got your entire data in which format? This is okay, Amma. In which format?
JSON.
JSON format. Got a point? So this is a trigger. And on the right side, you will see all the output of your trigger. Everyone understood? Am I yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it, everyone. I will wait. Everyone do it fast. Create it and execute. Again, see, if you again execute, again the form will open. See, again I can type 20 minus 30, submit. Okay, again the form I've submitted, again the trigger has started. Yeah, do it fast.
Sir, how to see the input, sir?
How to see the
This one, how to see, sir?
Which one? Which one?
Like the submitted form and all, the executed stuff.
See, again you double click on this one only. Double click here. On the right side, you choose JSON, you will see the output here.
Yes.
Okay. After input 2, that's it, Amma. After input 2, see, you create these forms. First, you add input 1 number. Second, operator text input. Third, input 2 number. Just read and do. That's it. Nothing complicated here. Yeah. After that, close it. Then you start the flow. How to run the form, Amma? To run the form, are you able to see execute workflow? Ikkada? Click on execute workflow. Automatically the form will start. So now we are in the app. Now we are in our
The
N8N app.
operator where we need to type the text sir, in the form elements.
Okay, I will tell you. Okay, give me a second. Here, see, I will tell you, Amma. Let me remove everything. Let me remove everything. See, you'll be getting like this. Okay, are you able to see form element?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, form element ante okka box, one box. Click on add form element label. Box ki label in the first will be input 1, and this input 1 will be taking numbers kada. So element type will be what? Numbers. Okay. So first form have been added. Okay, then you are going to add the next form.
So
Again element.
slowly, sir. Form elements is number.
Amma, form element type is number. Element type
Okay.
means that box only accepts numbers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Label is input 1.
That is a label. So that the client, so that the user will see that it is a label. Okay.
Okay, next.
Yeah. Again, you need to add a form element. Click on form element. Here
Yeah.
the label will be
Input 2.
operator.
Okay.
Okay, because that is how we are designing, no, ma. Input 1, operator, then what? Input 2. Okay.
Element label is operator, element type is number.
No. Operator, how operator can be number? Operators are plus, minus, and all that thing. No.
Yes, sir.
So it is a
Element.
text. So it is a text only. No. Text
Okay,
input.
sir. Okay.
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 And
Thank
then
you.
after that, one more box you need to add. Add form element. Here will be having what? Input
Okay.
2. Okay.
Completed,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. This one will be what, Amma? Number. That's it. 3 boxes have been added. Then that's it. Then once you have added that thing, close it and you start your what? Execution. It will pop up your form. Okay. And when you click on submit, then only
So
once you click,
after typing all this, we need to close the page.
close that pop-up. Then you click on execute workflow. When you
Okay.
click on your execute workflow, your N8N will start this app and automatically your app will start. Okay.
Execute workflow.
Execute workflow means
Okay.
your workflow is starting and the starting point
sir.
of your workflow will start from what trigger?
Yes,
So it
sir.
will
Now I have got it. Okay.
automatically open the app. See.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I have got it.
Yeah. And when you type here everything and when you click on what? Submit, then the trigger will start because it's an app-based trigger and the data will be converted into JSON format. Okay. Everyone clear? A very simple thing, drag and
Yes,
drop
sir.
only. Okay. So you need to read it. Okay. Because here no. Okay. Everyone read the text. Simple English they have written. Fine. Yeah. After that, what we need to do, Amma, tell me?
Add another node.
Node, where this node's duty is to check whether this operator is plus, minus, multiplication. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for that, I'll be teaching you one more node. What is the node? I will tell you. Click on what button now?
Plus button.
Plus button. Now here you go down, and are you able to see flow? Are you able to see
Yes, sir.
flow, Amma?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Click on flow. In the flow, you will be having a button called as what? Switch. In the flow, again I will repeat. Okay. Click on plus. Click on flow. In this flow, you will be having if, but don't use if. You will be having a button called as what? Switch. What is the button you will be having?
Switch.
Switch, where this switch will help you to write multiple if condition. There is one more if is also there, but this if is only for one if. Only ఒకటే if చేయొచ్చు మనం. If you want multiple if, then you need to use what?
Only one condition.
Switch. Got a point here, అమ్మా? అని అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what do you do? Click on switch and add here. Okay, and then pop-up will come. Close it. Okay, add here. Add this node. So node will be added. Add in the. See. Do it fast. And this should be executed first. Otherwise, we will not get data. Please mute yourself. Done?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yeah, done. Now see. Now once you have done, no, then click on switch. Double click on switch. When you double click on switch, you will be having two sides. You will be having two sides. Left side and what? Right side. Left side, you will see the data what you got from the first node. So this is the data you got from the first node, Kalama.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, are you able to see? So see,
Once
to
again,
see.
explain this switch, no, sir. Sorry for your interruption.
Yeah, see, please, Amma, listen carefully. Okay, listen. What you do? Click on plus, and here you go to flow. Click on flow. Here you go down, and you will be having a node called as switch node. Okay. Okay. Drag and drop this switch node here, and you will get a pop-up. Close it. But this will be independent node. So this node I want to connect to my trigger node, so that we will get that data from the trigger node. Ardham?
Okay, sir.
Got it? Hello. Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So now here the data will be flowing from our trigger node, and this data will be going as input to this node. Kada amma? Understood, kada? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and please, Amma, once you execute and you want data, if you don't have data, otherwise we can't see the data. So then double click it here. Then when you double click, you can see the three fields you can see. This is the area where you will be seeing all the data coming from the previous node. This is the settings you need to do, and this is the what? Output which will be coming out of this node. Got a point here, everyone? Clear? Yeah, now see, here you need to add rule. What is the mode, Amma, rule? What is the rule here? First, here, which one I need to check, Amma? What is the first condition?
Operator.
Out of all these things, what I need to check here?
Operator.
Operator.
So, you drag this operator to this value. First rule. Operator, if your operator, if your operator is what? Equal to, Amma? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Equal.
is Amma ante itla coding itla rastunna manam. If your operator is equal to what?
Plus.
Plus. So here, so I have done that thing. By again I will repeat here. Listen carefully. So add a routing rule. If operator k is equal to, here I will write what? plus. Got a point, Amma? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and here you can rename the output. You rename the output. That means the output will be going as what, Amma? Addition. ADDITION, addition. Understood now? So how many rules I have applied? Only how many if condition I have applied?
Only one.
One. Yeah, and when you see here, are you able to see only one condition is there?
Yes, sir.
And this name is addition. Okay. Now if you want to add one more addition, okay, then are you able to see one more routing rule? Routing rule? Yeah. Click on routing rule. Now again, if the operator K is equal to what, Amma? Minus, then rename this output as what?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Got a point here? One more rule. Now, third rule will be if the operator K is equal to what? Multiplication. Then here asterisk, use asterisk, okay? MULTIPLICATM, multiplication. Got a point? And when you, now that's it over now. Now when you close it here, see, are you able to see three edges now?
Addition and subtraction.
Am I yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. This edge will be activated when the operator is what? Plus. This edge will be activated when the operator is what?
Addition plus.
Minus. This
That is
this edge will be activated when your operator is what, Amma? Multiplication. Ardhamainda now? Am I yes or no?
Understood, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now see. Now here, after that, what you will do? Now, if it is addition, between these two number, I want to perform what?
Addition.
Addition. So for that, we need to do coding. లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ వర్క్ అవ్వదు. For that, we need to do coding. Which language we are comfortable? Python kada?
Python, sir.
Yeah. So here, you can add a Python node. Wow. Use plus. You go here on core. You are having a button called as what, Amma? Core. Click on core. Are you able to see a node called code?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in this code, in this node, you can type your Python code or you can type your what code? JavaScript. But you know Python, so click on what? Python. Okay, and here you choose which code?
Python code.
Python. So click on Python and click on close. So this will add you another node where inside here I will do the Python code. And here, this node I will do with this one. Ardhamainda now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, means here that this data will be given to this node also. Same data. Ma got the concept or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for now what I'm going to do, okay, here I'm going to freeze it. Freeze it ante I don't want to activate it. So if you want to deactivate it, are you able to see a button here? Power button? Amma, are you able to see a power button?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, click on this power button to deactivate it. Until this node will not be active. Okay? Clear? So, once again, see what happened. Click on plus, go to core and click on code and choose what? Code in Python. Ante. Okay, and your node is active. Say, I want to deactivate your node. So, click on this one. Deactivate until this node will not run. Okay? Danish? Amma, everyone ardhamainda? Hello.
Understood,
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now see, now I will once I will check whether this is working or not. Okay, before I want to do that thing, I want to check. How? Again, I will execute. See, now everyone see here. I will click on execute the workflow. When I click on execute the workflow, I am going to use 10. I am going to use minus. I am going to use 20. And now when I click on submit, now everyone visualize this one. Now when I am going to click, okay, how to visualize? Give me a second. Now see, let me zoom it out. Fine. Now see, now when I'm going to click this, what? Submit. What is going to happen, Amma? This app is going to get what?
Triggered.
Triggered.
And this data will be flowing. 10, minus 20. This data will be flowing from this trigger and will be giving to which node?
The switch node.
Switch node. Switch node will go and check. ఈ operator ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? What is the operator?
Minus.
Minus. So this entire data will not be given to this node now. Okay, this entire data will be given to which node now?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Now see, we will see whether it is working or not. See here. So when I click on submit, so see here, are you able to see now the beauty? మా చూడండి ఇక్కడ అడిషన్ యాక్టివేట్ అవ్వలేదు, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ యాక్టివేట్ అవ్వలేదు. ఎక్కడ గ్రీన్ ఉంది? Where is green there? Subtraction. So if you see here, see, okay, subtraction node, addition node didn't got anything, multiplication node did not got anything. Only which node will got? Subtraction node. Okay now? Am I every understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Yeah, now I am going to connect this node. What? This subtraction node I will connect with what? Code in Python. I will activate it and now I will double click it. So I am able to see the output kada ikkada. Are you able to see the output?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here, inside this one, here you can type your what code? Python code. Okay, and now see, don't worry about the Python code, Amma. I will tell you how to type here, but after some classes I will teach you how to exactly the coding. For now, you just use like this: return. Use return, create a dictionary, and you just do like this. What is that? Input. Sorry. I will do here return, and I will create a key. Key will be answer. Key will be answer. Then value will be input 1. अरे यार, input 1 minus input 2. Got a pointer? That's it. That is what you will do. Now please everyone write this code here. What you will do? Again I will show you. Simply use this key. What is that? Everyone in your N8N you need to use this call return. And what you are going to return? JSON. And how does JSON looks? JSON looks like a what? JSON looks like what? Dictionary.
Dictionary,
okay?
sir.
Yeah, and in dictionary, I want a key. The key will be what? Answer. And how we are going getting the answer? By performing subtraction between input 1 and input 2 kada? Yes or no? Fine. So what you will do? You just drag and drop. Don't do the coding. It will convert into coding automatically. Input, drag and drop input here. Okay. Then after that, you use what? Minus. Then again you drag and drop input here. That's it. Got a point? And then you click on execute. Execute the step. We will see we are getting output. Are we getting the output? Yes or no, Amma? Answer is equal to minus 10. 10 minus 20, we are getting what? Minus 10. Got a point, everyone?
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now see. Now this same code I also want for addition and subtraction, multiplication kadama.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I will do, I can duplicate. How? Click on this node, click on this 3 link, and you click on duplicate. Duplicate, and one more time I am going to duplicate. Got a point? And then this node I am going to add it here. Okay, and this node I am going to add it here. Got it now? Everyone?
Got it, sir.
And then you click on this one. Same code will be there. Only do one changes. Here, remove minus and do what? Plus. That's it. And here, you double click it, remove minus and do what, Amma? Multiplication. Then, Gada, everyone.
How to do duplication, sir? Can you show once again?
I will tell you. Don't worry. Go to your main thing where you have actually edited. Hover on that thing and you will see 3 dots. Okay, click on that 3 dots and here you will be having a button called as what?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Duplicate. That's it. And after duplicating, go to the cell and here you only change minus to plus and to multiplication. And then done. That is your workflow. That is what we have created here. No, Masi. Everyone, are you able to understand now? Do it, everyone, do it. I will wait. I will wait. No issues. I will wait. This is starting, no? Starting simple. I just want to teach you. Don't worry, Amma. Slowly you will get comfortable, okay? Don't worry.
How to add the three rules, sir? Addition, subtraction, and multiplication.
Which one, Amma?
Three rules.
3 rules. A the rules. Okay, okay. This you are telling switch,
Yes, yes.
Yeah, in switch. Okay, here you will be having a thing called add routing rules. Unda?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. Click on add routing rules. Ikkada if condition. What is the condition? Operator check cheyali kada. So if operator, okay, drag and drop the operator. If operator, okay, tarvata is equal to plus. Okay na? Idoka rule. Ainda?
Mm.
Then one more rule. What is the one more
How
rule?
you have got this routing rule, sir? Please.
Amma, I have designed, no, in the front of you only I designed, no. Just that is what I'm telling you. When I am teaching, don't type, don't do. First, listen to the class. That is what I'm going on telling you. If you are doing when I'm telling you, waste of the time. Okay, so what I told you how to design here. See, here you first use a switch. How? Click on plus, go to flow, and you will be having a button called switch. Okay, once you are having the switcher, then what you do? Double click on that thing. Then you add the what? Routing. How to add the routing? I will tell you again. See here. Now, are you able to see add routing route now?
Sir.
Yeah, click on this one. Here, 3 things we need to give. If condition. What is the value? Which value you need to check? Operator kada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so if operator drag and drop is equal to what? Plus. Adi one rule. And that name I am changing into addition. Okay now? Okay, so when you see here, see, now I'm having only what? One branch only, no? Route. Now I want to add one more route. So what I will do? I'll again click on add routing rule. Here I will do again what? If operator k is equal to what? Minus kada? So this will be what? Subtraction. Got a point here? One rule, second rule. Third rule, if operator k is what? Multiplication. Third rule. So this rename the output multiplication. Okay, done. Now when I close it here, see, are you able to see 3 things now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
then
sir.
you connect addition with this code, subtraction with this code, multiplication with this code. Ante done.
Sir, show me code once again, sir, in the code in Python.
Yeah, code. See, I will tell you once again how to create a code. A very simple thing. What you do always in N8N, no, it is a rule. In N8N, it is a rule. What is the rule? Always you need to use a what? What keyword return. Okay? And always you need to return a dictionary, JSON. Here, key edi manadi key answer. And what is the answer? It is the addition of the 2 values. No, my here. Addition of these 2 values. No, this one. Okay, so I will use return answer k will be colon what? Drag and drop input 1. Drag and drop input 1. Then after that use what? Plus, no, plus. Then drag and drop what? Input 2. Okay, that's it. This is the code. Man, no need to type here. Drag and drop input 1 and input 2. Okay, same code you need to paste it what? All the code. Only difference is here. This is I think this is plus. Yeah, this is plus. This will be minus. So change it to minus. This will be multiplication. Yeah, correct. And for this agentic AI, Noma, Python is mandatory. Openly telling you, if you are very bad at Python, then you will struggle, because in this course, I'm not going to again teach you Python. Okay, so you need to learn Python. If you don't know Python, you will struggle a little bit. Okay. So please revise and come Python. Fine. So this is our first what? Rule based workflow we have created. Okay. Now, do I execute it here, Rama, and show you? Listen carefully. I will execute and show you. You see the execution flow. Okay. So see, let me minimize it here. Minimize so that you will see the thing. So I will close this form. Now I will execute. See here. Executed. It have opened me an app. Okay. In this app, I will type what? 20 into 100. Click on submit. See where it is went, Amma. Correctly it went? No. Automatically I have executed step or not? Everyone, did you see?
Yes, sir.
Automatically, when I submitted this app, automatically this step will be have executed, and this step also have executed, because multiplication. And if you want to see the answer, click on this button. Okay, on the right side you will see the output. What is the output here? Correctly, we got what? 2000. Understood the thing? Okay, so this entire thing, whatever we have designed, this entire thing is your what, Amma? Workflow. Okay, series of steps, and this entire workflow I've represented as what? Sorry, I've created as what, Amma? Graph, where this one, all this are called as what?
No.
Nodes. And always your starting node is a special node called as what? Trigger. And every node is connected with this line. These are called as what?
Edge.
Edges, where edges will tell you how the nodes are connected with each other. And through these edges only, what this green color is showing you, that through these edges, what have flown?
JSON data.
JSON data flown. Got the point here? And every node, Amma, except trigger node, every node will be having an input and will be having a what, Amma?
Output.
Output. Trigger node will not have any input. Trigger node will only be having what? Output. Okay, that is the reason when you double click any of the node, you will see two things. On the left side, you will see the input. On the right side, you will see the output. And the middle one is a setting for that node. Okay, now? Got the point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So finally, so today, everyone, Amma, I want a simple thing everyone has to do. Okay, everyone, listen carefully here. Once this class is over, okay, everyone, okay, take a break. I understood it is the first time, Amma. It will take a little bit of time. You need to habituate. Create this entire workflow, and I request everyone by today or tomorrow, post a link. Post a link on LinkedIn. Post a link on LinkedIn where you post it that we have started our Agentic AI journey with DataTeach, and we have also covered. So we created our first rule-based workflow. Okay, a simple what? Automatic calculator, and you take a screenshot and upload it on LinkedIn. Got a point here? And please tag what? Data teach. Mardha, the task here. What is the task I given?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the task? Everyone today post a link. Okay, try to use ChatGPT to create the content. What is the link you need to post? Today we have started our Agentic AI journey in DataTeach. Okay, and we have created a very simple Hello World automation, web-based automation, and we've created a rule-based automation workflow in N8N, and put this screenshot on the page. Okay, and please tag what? DataTeach.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. So I think How was today's class, Amma? Hectic or did you understand the concept? See, don't worry. Slowly, no? Slowly we will try to learn this drag and drop. Yeah, drag and drop process for code, Amma. Simply click on plus, click on what? Core, and then he will be having code. Click on code, Python code, drag and drop the code. Ante. This one. Yeah.
Can you show the code once, sir? What we've written in that code?
Yeah, Amma, tell me.
Can you show me that code once? What we've written?
Yeah. See, Amma, for the code to work, no, 100% you need to execute the previous cell. Otherwise, you can't see the output. Okay, now this is the code. If you want, I can copy and paste the code to you and give it to you. I copy and paste the code. Yeah, this is the same code for you also. No need to worry.
Sir, I actually executed, sir, but I couldn't see those input one and all under switch.
Which one, Amma?
Like to drag and drop inputs and all for code, code, no, sir.
You are unable to see that code, huh?
No, sir, those inputs and all. Inputs operator.
Because no, what you need to do? First, you need to execute the previous cell.
That one
The previous cell
executed,
output కావాలి కదా?
అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయింది సార్ నాకు గ్రీన్ మార్క్ టిక్ మార్క్ కూడా వచ్చింది.
Then once you share your screen, Norma, fine everyone. So we will end the session here. Then we will meet on next Friday, next Saturday and Sunday, where we will create more what? Drag and drop to design our what? Little bit more what, Amma? Advanced what, Amma? Workflows. So everyone practice and everyone please post a link. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, could you
Yeah, share,
enable
Amma,
it?
share.
I tried, sir, but no.
Okay,
It is
wait
not
a second. Participants, advance, share. Yeah, now you check once.
Sir, it is coming like this.
No, close it first. Your input is there, Norma. So first you remove
And the
that
switch
items.
I'm not getting, sir.
Okay, switch. Okay, close it. Close that one. Close it. Close that pop-up, Amma. Close that pop-up.
Oh, and wait, sir.
Close the pop-up. There is a cross button. Amma, don't close. Arey yaar, why you close that thing? I told close that pop-up.
Once wait, sir, I couldn't see it.
Amma, cross.
There is a into mark in the corner.
Now, where you are, click on the switch button once. Switch. Click on, double click. You are having on form. Yeah, execute this step once. Execute the step. Yeah, execute. JSON plus equal to. Amma, at the first routing you have written wrong. First, click on that thing. Click on the cell one. Remove that thing. Remove. Remove. Yeah, again drag and drop operator. Yeah, now again execute once. Yeah, now close it. Yeah, now see. Coming? Yeah. Now first you remove that items first. First remove the items. Yeah. Remove everything. That's it. Now drag input one. Very good. Then use plus. After that use plus. No. You can use operator also, but use plus. You can use operator also. Very good. Then use input. Yeah. Done. Now, no. After return, give a space. After return, it is better to give a space. Yeah, Python. Yeah, execute. Done. Got no answer. 40.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
now
you, sir.
duplicate it and connect with other nodes also.
yes,
Change
sir.
plus to minus and
Yes,
multiplication.
sir. Multiplication. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, great. Fine. Very good. Fine. Others, everyone.
One more, sir.
Fine. Okay, so it's been late night. Okay, fine. So everyone, okay,
Yes, sir.
take a break.
Thank you.
Okay, but yeah, tell me. Hello. Somebody was speaking.
Done, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So everyone have a good night. Sleep well. Take a break, Amma. Again, once you again remove everything, do it one more time. Do it 2 to 3 times so that you will be comfortable with the drag and drop. Yeah, see, don't worry. If you are not getting, don't worry. Starting Kadama. Okay, cycle. If we learn a car, first day only we will not know how to drive a car. No, slowly we will what? Learn everything. Okay, don't worry. Fine. Yeah. So please revise today's class. Okay, have a great day. Okay, a day is over. Okay, have a great night. Sleep well. We will meet on the next Saturday and Sunday. So please do the assignment. Everyone, tag it and have a great day. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Bye, guys.